listen to Kiko Escuadro from Radar PH.
Hello po. Hi. Congratulations. Natanong na po lahat. Fun question na lang. Mahirap bang i-maintain yung pagiging Diyosa?
Sa pagsapit ng dilim. Basta maging masaya lang. Yun lang yung kahit stress ka, don't dwell on it too long. No, stay. Ano ba? I don't know. I mean, actually nakakatawa kasi Pride Month, di ba? So lumalabas na ngayon yung mga nagtatag sa akin na maraming salamat for being my gay awakening dahil sa Diyosa nga daw. So, I'm just so happy that projects like that have inspired also those from the community to realize their gay awakening. But paano siya i-maintain? Hindi ko alam. Siguro maging masaya ka lang. Diba? Huwag kang mag-transform into anything nega. Stay positive.
Kanina na-mention ko rin kanina na when it comes to project, medyo nagiging selective ka na. May time ba na may mga projects ka na hindi mo talaga kailangan, hindi mo talaga matanggap kasi hindi mo nakikita yung sarili mo?
Meron naman. Meron din. But the great thing is, that's why pitching happens. So even before they start to write the script, masasabi mo naman na parang, oh, baka this isn't for me. Yeah. Meron naman.
Last na lang, may mga time ba na naramdaman mo, I'm not beautiful, not my day today?
Oo naman, today.
Paano mo yung-handle yun?
Wala, tao lang naman din tayo lahat. We're all human, no? But like, of course, there are mornings na lalo na pag puyat, meron pa akong prosthetics dito and everything. You just look at your like, this is not my day, but that's okay. Ganun naman tayo lahat eh. Bawi na lang tomorrow.
Okay, maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. We are halfway through our list. Okay, ngayon naman from Daily Tribune, we have Jeff Fernando.
Hello, Ann. Hi. Ayun, one question lang. Sabi nga sa VTR kanina, 29 years. Ayun. Paano kung pag sa career mo, ang dami mo nagawa, parang lumipad na ng 29 years, di ba? Okay, dun sa 29 years na mabilis na dumaan, nagugulat ka rin ba sa mabilis na paglaki ni Talia? At saka ano yung mga traits niya na, ikaw na ikaw? Ano yung nakuha niya sa'yo?
Yung pagkabungis-ngis, she's super, ang tawag ko sa kanya, dal-dal-dalya. Kasi machika siya, she's so smart, she's so bubbly. So yeah, yun yung talagang, you can see that's my personality. And it's just insane na 6 years old na siya. Parang,
Ang bilis.
ang bilis masyado, where does time go, diba? But yeah, it's bittersweet, sabi nga nila.
Thank you, Ann.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman from GMA Entertainment, we have Nurse Amo.
Hello.
Hi!
Question ng, since napupunta ka na sa mga fashion week and naging cover ka na ng mga fashion magazines, how does it feel like na nagiging fashion icon ka na talaga?
Happy. You know, I always believe that fashion is an extension of your expression. I don't dress just to impress. I dress how I feel, and that's why, especially on Showtime, araw-araw kami nag-aayos ha, araw-araw kami nagbibihis. So, it's really like some days I want to turn up in a hoodie and ripped jeans, and some days I want to wear something butch. So it's really like, I'm honored if there are some people who consider me their fashion icon, because it's just how I express myself.
You mentioned nga yung pagdadamit mo everyday, almost everyday sa Showtime.
Yeah.
So, paano yung mind mo? Ano yung susuotin mo?
I dress my mood. Kung ano yung mood ko sa araw na yon, that's how I'll dress. So, you'll see it. Like, today, I felt soft. So, naka-soft girl dress ako this morning on Showtime. So, it really depends. Like, some days I'll be wearing an outrageous zebra print. So, like, it depends on the mood, sometimes the weather.
Kasi pag fashion icon, naisip ng iba na parang dapat mas maraming, syempre, budget for the clothes.
No, it doesn't have to be.
Sa iyo, paano yung budgeting?
Of course, I always set, in terms of like saving and stuff, I always set a quota for myself. Lalo na, ang aking financial advice for myself is, tabi mo na muna yung nasa taxes. Kasi hindi naman siya sa'yo. So, itabi mo na yan para hindi mo na siya i-consider na sa'yo. So, that's in a different account. And then, I have a quota for myself in a year. Pag umabot yun, hindi pwede mag-shopping. So, yeah, it's, you know, and I believe naman, fashion, it doesn't necessarily mean you have to wear branded all the time. Like, that's why I said, like, kanina, sometimes you can catch me in a white tee, a white t-shirt, denim jeans, sneakers, like, it doesn't have to always be branded. Yeah.
Punta naman ako sa It's Showtime.
Okay.
I'm not sure if aware ka doon sa mga edits na yung mga funny banters ninyo ni Vice.
Yes, yes.
Ano reaction mo pag nakikita mo yun?
Pag napapanood ko yun, pati ako natatawa. Ano ba yun yung sinabi namin? It's like so funny and like so nostalgic na parang, ang nakakatawa pa kasi pag nag-watch ka ng isa, yung algorithm mo is actually all of that. So yung Vice Anchor, yung sinasabi nga nila. So I'm happy that people still enjoy it, natutuwa pa sila. Tapos pagpapasok ako, sasabihin nila, ay may bago na naman tayong makukuhang pang-core moment. So thank you to everyone that's watching Showtime and appreciates that.
Does it make you feel conscious, lalo na pag lagi may bloopers?
Hindi. I mean, ano ba, magsi-17 years na kaya pa kami or 18? At that point, hindi mo nyo na, wala nang iniisip na conscious pa kayo o hindi. Conscious kami sa overtime, pero other than that, enjoy lang kami. Enjoy, yeah.
And lastly, may following question. Kasi you mentioned na nakikilala na yung mga Pilipino all over the
Yes.
world. Malaking issue ngayon yung sinabi about half-seas.
Oh, yeah.
Anong nasasabi mo doon?
I don't even want to comment on it. You know, I'm proud to be a Happy, but I'm also very proud of my Filipino roots. This is my home. This is where I choose to be. Everyone has their own opinion, but for me, I will always be proud to be Filipino. Diba? Whenever I'm on a global stage, I'm representing the Philippines. When I'm invited to this, the seat is for the Philippines. So, always proud. When they ask me, where are you from? The Philippines. So, I'll always be proud of that. Kanya-kanya naman yan eh. It's up to them. But for me personally, as a Happy, yes, I'm also proud of being half Australian, which was my dad's part of me. But I'm also very proud to be Filipino. At kaya ako nandito. Diba?
Thank you.
Salamat!
Very, very well said. Maraming salamat.